Now, being truth and being love, the love of God for his children is a true love. And true love implies that the children of God are endowed with free will. So it means that they have a choice. They can turn away from the glory of God or enjoy the glory of God. It is up to them. They are not forced because the love of God toward them is a true love. It means also that in heaven, evil exists, but that evil exists in heaven only potentially. In African ontology, potential existence is not true existence. As I'm speaking to you, every one of you have a mouse in his mouth. But as long as that mouse is a potential one, nobody cares about it because potential existence is not true existence. But that potentiality is essential to the children of God expression of their free will. Therefore, the one who creates evil is the one who makes evil go from potential existence to manifest existence. And that one is not God. It is the human being. The human being, the child of God, is responsible for his fall.